For my niggas though. Hottest in the city, that's the title that I'm after. Niggas think they moving forward, but they moving backwards. No telling what'll happen when I lap ya. You all stars turn to role players like Chris Bosh from the Raptors. I've been slept on, but y'all niggas need to wake up. Game time now, better lace up. Too much ambition, I'm on a mission to take all the doubt away. My pen is like a 9-iron, call that bitch a Callaway. Claim you're real, but them niggas like a boob job. I'm prepared for the future, planning on new eyes. I'm me, I was spitting with them OGs. Raw cuts since 03, that's how them niggas know me. Spent time in the ring, you can't tell me I don't fight, you too light for it. You know that my niggas heavyweight. Started out dirty and I'm trying to get a new slate. They telling them jokes, but them niggas not heat slate, cease hate. Don't compare me to them cheapskates. When I line up niggas like Brutus the Barber Beefcake, I make sure that the city that I carry gets everything it deserves. On my auntie, that's my word. They keep saying the ad would never make a difference. Put them dollars and cents and niggas took the difference. No substance, nigga, my song is on dope. So all that shit that you talking, tie the noose around your throat. I'm the last nigga left from raw cutting to the death of. Sour in the air, I'm taking my last breath of. Do this on my own, I never needed a bunch of odd niggas. Wanna be kings? Well, I'm trying to be the god, nigga. You fraud niggas, I'm running while you jog, nigga. These niggas ain't getting money, you want a job, nigga? Leap lilies looking like a bunch of frog niggas. Chris Paul to the game, catch the lob, nigga. And it's funny how it happens when you get on. They say they never change, but niggas turn to chameleons. I see the truth through the clouds of the weed smoke, but I got it now. Niggas bout to riot now, go nuts. When I spaz, it's like a gold rush. They fold up when I roll up. Av got it sewn up, but I punch fast with the Mayweather bars. Hit Pacquiao hard. I'm the light in the dark. Jay Timberlake on my suit and tie. Your girl on my dick cause of the dimples, right? These niggas didn't know me, but I'm sure they probably heard of. Got a couple enemies, niggas I never heard of. Stop the goofy shit, run your own race. Cause I'm in the fast lane, pole position, first place. I'm from my niggas in the city trying to make it. If you ain't talking about that, my nigga, don't say shit. I'm a starter in the game, no replacement. And everything that I say on this mic is a true statement. Don't wanna work with me, then don't work with me. More money in my pocket, no one to split it 50. For my last words, I like to keep it 100 on everything that I love. I want my niggas above this. Started from the bottom, now I'm looking up. Salute to my city, we never gonna stop. Hottest in the city, hottest in the city, we the hottest in the city. Hottest in the city, hottest in the city, we the hottest in the city. Quest God, hottest in the city, hottest in the city, we the hottest in the city. J Av, hottest in the city, hottest in the city, we the hottest in the city. Raw cut, love and loyalty for my niggas though.